Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Tinder account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Tinder account, first open up the Tinder app on your phone like this. And after opening your Tinder account, your interface will be similar to this. Now to delete your Tinder account, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the settings icon up here. Over here, tap on settings, and after that you land on this interface. Scroll down all the way down, and you can find the delete account option available over here. All the way down, tap on delete account like this, and you can see you can either choose to pause your account or delete your account. Simply tap on delete my account like this and give a reason. I'm with someone, and delete my account, and to load and account deleted, just tap on got it. And there guys, this is how you delete your Tinder account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.